Corky, our Scarlet Macaw. Now these two birds, they need supporters. From the center all the way to my right. All of you will support Barry. Yes, now cheer his name like this. Barry, Barry. Louder. Stop. Very good. From the center all the way to my left. All of you will do the same for Corky. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3. Corky. Very good. Now birds to the table. Now with me, I have a huge trunk. Yes, and we got 4 balls on each side. That will depict their crews. Now supporters, don't forget to cheer louder for your birds. Ready, go! And the winner is Corky! Corky was very fast. Now Alex, what happened to Barry over there? Alex said that the cheering's not loud enough.